welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be having a review of the Arovya Boatkin bags. Does it really give you a stylish bag or just another fake scam store? Let us talk about the Arovya Boatkin bags that have been trending with ads showcasing sleek, designer-inspired handbags at surprisingly low prices, promising premium quality and fast delivery. So the brand itself as a or market as a go-to spot for stylish, affordable fashion, but the big question is, are these bags legit or just another fake scam store? So customer online says that um some buyers that the bag look decent for the price, while many people reports poor stitching, cheap materials, delayed shipping, or even never receiving their order at all. There are also complaints that customer service is unresponsive and returns are difficult. So while the photos online make the bags look high end and high quality, the reality doesn't really match the hype. So if you're considering the Arovia Boatkin, proceed with caution and it may not be a total scam, but it's far from guaranteed a luxury quality.